We are late today. Let's go fast to the class. Don't worry, we will reach on time. Just stay with me. Should we go inside now or wait a little more? Let's go inside slowly. Maybe teacher will not be angry.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Please settle down. We have a very special day today, class. Today we have 2 new students joining us. And please be kind and welcoming to them.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Sophie. I am very happy to be here today. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tommy. It is really nice to meet all of you. Good morning, Sophie and Tommy. Welcome to our class. We are happy you are here.
Please take your seats, Sophie and Tommy. We are all so very happy to have you with us today.
Sophie, look at this classroom. Oh, it is so colorful and nice. I really like it here. Yes, Tommy, this classroom is so beautiful. I think we are going to really love it here.
Wonderful. Now, class, let us begin our day together. Today is going to be a truly wonderful day.
Hi, Sophie. My name is Leo. I am really happy you are in our class today. Hello, Leo. It is really nice to meet you. I am happy to be here too. Sophie, do you like our school? I think it is the best school in the whole world. Yes, Leo. It looks really nice. I think I am going to be very happy here. Hello, Tommy. My name is Maya. Welcome to our class. I hope you like it here. Thank you, Maya. It is really nice to meet you. I already like it here a lot. Tommy, if you ever need any help in class, you can always ask me anytime. That is very kind of you, Maya. Thank you so much. I will remember that.
I am so happy to see everyone making new friends. This is a beautiful start to our day.
Wow, that dinosaur is amazing, Tommy. He is the friendliest T-Rex ever. Want to hold him?
Class, now we will do something fun. Everyone will tell us their name and one thing they like.
My name is Leo, and I really like drawing. I draw pictures every single day at home.
Very good, Leo. Drawing is a wonderful skill. Please sit down. Maya, your turn, please.
My name is Tommy, and I really like toy cars and football. Football is my favorite thing. Tommy, I like football too. We can play together at break time today after class. My name is Sophie, and I like painting and singing. Singing makes me feel very happy inside. Sophie, maybe you can sing for us one day. I would really love to hear your voice.
Now, class, we will do a fun partner activity. And you will ask each other simple questions today. Sophie, you will work with Leo. Tommy, you will work with Maya. Let us begin, everyone.
Okay, Sophie, I will go first. What do you like to do after school every day? I like painting and singing after school. What about you, Leo? What do you like? I like drawing and playing football after school. What is your favorite color, Sophie? So, Tommy, what do you really like to do? Tell me something interesting about yourself. I really like toy cars and building blocks. And my favorite color is blue. My favorite color is yellow. And I really love dancing. I dance every day after school.
Very good, everyone. Now let us share what we learned about our partners with the whole class.
Good morning, class. My name is Mr. David, and I will be teaching you math today. I can see we have 2 new students today. Welcome, Sophie and Tommy. We are glad you are here.
Thank you, Mr. David. We are very happy to be here and excited to learn math today.
Wonderful. Today, we will learn numbers together. Do you all like math? Let us begin.
Let us all count together now. Everyone ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it, Mr. David. We counted all the way to 10.
Excellent, everyone. Now, Tommy, can you count from 1 to 5 all by yourself, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did it, Mr. David. That was easy and really fun. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love counting, Mr. David. Numbers are so much fun.
Class, it is now time for your break. Please go outside and enjoy yourselves. Walk slowly.
Tommy, do you want to play catch with me? I have a ball right here in my bag. Yes! I love playing catch. Let us ask Sophie and Maya to play with us too. Sophie, do you want to play catch with Leo and Tommy? It will be really fun together. Okay, I will try. But I am not very good at catching yet. Please be patient with me. Tommy, are you ready? Here it comes! I got it! Your turn, Maya. Catch it when I throw it to you. I caught it! I actually caught it! Did you see that? I really caught the ball. Sophie, that was amazing. I think you are a natural. This is the best break time ever.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miss Anna, and I will teach you art today.
Good afternoon, Miss Anna. We are very happy to have art class with you today.
Today, we will draw something simple and beautiful. And please take out your crayons. Today, we will draw a house together. And first step, Pale, draw a big square like this one.
I am drawing my square very carefully. I want my house to look really beautiful today. Miss Anna, I finished my square and my triangle already. Please come and look at mine.
Tommy, this is a beautiful drawing. You have done a really wonderful job so far.
Miss Anna, can I color my house pink and yellow, please? Those are my favorite colors.
Of course, Sophie. Everyone can use any colors they like. This is your own special house. Wonderful work, everyone. Your drawings look absolutely amazing. I am so proud of all of you. Class, that is the end of our school day today. You all did a truly wonderful job.
But Miss Anna, I am having so much fun. I do not want to go home yet.
I am very happy you feel that way, Sophie. That means you had a truly wonderful first day.
Sophie, make sure you put your drawing in your bag carefully. Mom and Dad will love it.
Goodbye, everyone. See you all tomorrow. Remember to keep drawing and keep smiling always.
Tommy, I can see Mom and Dad. They are waiting for us right there by the gate.
Sophie, Tommy, we missed you both so much today. Come here and give us a big hug.
We are so happy to see you both. Now tell us everything. How was your very first day?
Mommy, Daddy, look at my drawing. I drew a house in art class and I colored it pink and yellow.
Sophie, this is absolutely beautiful. And Tommy, we want to hear all about your day too.
I love our new school, Tommy. I cannot wait to come back again tomorrow morning.
Please comment below and tell us how you liked our story, and your thoughts really matter to us.
I read your comments carefully and try to improve our stories, so please share your honest thoughts.
Your comments help us grow and make better videos, so don't forget to share your ideas with us. Please keep supporting us like this always, and we love you all. And enjoy reading your sweet comments.
Bye-bye, friends. We will come again with a new video.
Take care and see you soon!